It's not the depth that pulls you down, it's what you carry inside. Do you hear it? This isn't silence, it's a warning.
Between two towers, the sky is tight. The city below me burns so bright. One more step, no turning back. My body's light, my heart too heavy to hold. The edge is shaking under my feet. The noise dissolves in a silent beat. No one pushes, I choose to go. The fall explodes inside my soul. There's a second behind the sound, where every boundary crashes down. I'm flying high, not escape, just free fall.
With a racing heartbeat.
Free fall.
No holding on, falling through the night.
Free fall.
Silence shatters, fire burning inside.
Free fall.
Not the end, this moment's mine.
Free fall.
When I hit the ground, I rise redesigned. The light above won't call me back. The deep below stays cold and black. The wind cuts hard across my face, but my pulse still keeps the pace. It's not the concrete waiting there, it's what I'm shedding in the air. Every fear is torn away as my body drops into the grave.
If all the noise just disappears, a clearer voice inside